Yo, did you know bananas aren't just tasty snacks you grab on the go? They're actually a health powerhouse. Packed with potassium, bananas help keep your blood pressure chill and your kidneys working like a pro. Eat them regularly and boom, lower risk of kidney stones. They've got fiber too, so your digestion stays smooth. No tummy drama. Plus, antioxidants like vitamin C and dopamine. They're out here fighting off those nasty free radicals. Need a quick energy boost before or after a workout? Bananas got your back with fast-acting carbs and the mix of potassium and fiber. Perfect combo to keep your heart happy and healthy. So yeah, don't sleep on bananas. Add them to your daily routine and feel the good vibes inside and out.